Jamaica Grande in Ocho Rios Center and is our location for this week's episode of Pree Dis. I'm your host, Michaela Leona, and this week we have a jam-packed show just for you. Stay tuned. Sean Paul delivered the hits and kept the crowd on a musical high right here at the Moon Palace Jamaica Grande. Let's check out the highlights.
What brought you to Moon Palace Jamaica Grande?
I'm here on vacation.
Why you chose here?
I don't really know. We just thought it would be amazing to be here, and we saw like all the pictures and everything. Oh my God, it's beautiful. It is like better than the pictures.
What do you like about the performance of Sean Paul tonight?
I like his authenticity. You know, he's real. Whenever he like steps on stage, even like without the other singers in his performance, he's still like so honest.
And what's your favorite Sean Paul song?
I think right now, Rockabye Baby. That's amazing.
Where are you from?
Michigan.
What brought you to Moon Palace Jamaica Grande?
A family trip. Yes. Great, awesome, wonderful.
It's my first time here. It's with the recommendation of my husband. He's been here 7 times. So he told me to come here. He's told me to go see Leroy Brown.
I saw you were dancing up a storm earlier on Sean Paul. What do you like about Sean Paul?
His vibe, his spirit, the music, everything. Just, you know, he made you want to get up and dance.
Hey yo, ladies, I want to hear it louder, come on. Well, if you're today, girl, it's busting tomorrow, baby. Live my fantasy. Yo, listen. Love it till you walk. Get up in that English. Listen, what the top is, I want to rub it up. When they got me cards, if I can't be tired, I'm not the free. Yo, what's this? I feel it up. I'm living it to my life, I'm trying it up.
Sean Paul kept it at a level that I think was just unbelievable. We had an amazing night. He never took a break, so it was amazing.
And what's your favorite Sean Paul song?
I don't think I have one. All of them are up tempo and I love them all.
Well, for me, it was just the whole representation, you know. You see the Jamaica flags up, everybody on the stage, people I know and rate and respect, and the energy was just high, and all this international crowd, they fly down to come and check it out. I just have to respect that, and I love what Sean do with the music, and I bring it to the world, and I represent straight.
I'm here at Moon Palace Jamaica Grande. What was the experience like for you tonight?
You know, I've not been here in like 15 years, like probably one of the earlier Sunfests I came here, and it don't look nothing like this. So I was very surprised that how them change up just the decor and the new wing, and I heard that, but I just checked saying there's a thing, and I haven't been to a hotel here in Ocho, especially this one, in a long time. So I think they did an amazing job and spend money on the place. I can't see that. I had lunch here today. The chef, them are going well, real Jamaican food. So it feels good. It feels like a renewed energy, which I think what this little strip needed, to tell the truth. So yeah, very, very good vibe. I'll definitely be coming back.
Sean Paul tonight, your thoughts about the concert?
I mean, he was incredible. I didn't sit down, not even once. Everybody was dancing. It was high energy. It was a packed house. I mean, I think he's probably one of the best artists we've had so far. So, you know, we try to make sure that we find something for everyone. So we want to make sure mom and dad have a good time. We want to make sure their kids have a good time. We want to make sure that everyone has a good time. So we try to make sure that we get artists that appeal to all different ages. So Sean Paul is someone that basically mom and dad are jamming, they're having a good time, but at the same time their kids are having a great time because they hear their songs on the radio. So I think he was a really good fit because he really appeals to all audiences. You know, part of our branding is for the Moon Palace and Palace Resorts as a whole is that we're an entertainment destination. I mean, you're gonna come here, you're gonna have a vacation, you're gonna have a good time, you're gonna hang out on the beach, but aside from that, we wanna give you something more, and we wanna make sure that we're giving you entertainment to go along with your vacation. So I think the fact that you can come to Jamaica, have a good time, visit Dunn's River Falls, hang out at the beach, hang out at the Flow Rider, have a good time, and then come see Sean Paul at night is the all-inclusive package in our book.
As we continue to promote safety on our roads, let's listen up to these very important road safety tips courtesy of our sponsors, Superior Parts Limited.
Road construction zones present a deadly hazard for workers, motorists, and of course pedestrians. This is due to high speed limits, impatient drivers, and the traffic congestions. Motorists should slow down and drive with care when approaching construction zones. Pay attention to and obey flagmen and signs posted. Keep your eyes on the road at all times and avoid distractions. Traffic and road conditions may dictate an even slower speed. These tips brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
Now we're on to our first commercial break. When we get back, it's all about the music video premiere and our Talent on the Rise segment. We'll be right back. Thank you.
Manufacturers of vehicles are not necessarily the manufacturers of parts. They outsource in places such as Japan, Thailand, China, Malaysia, Indonesia, or wherever it is most cost-effective to do so. Visit Superior Parts today for the widest range of genuine and non-genuine, new and used Honda parts in Kingston, Maypen, Mandeville, Mobay, and Ocho Rios. Telephone 929-4410 or 758-0830. Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.
As I go through my day, when I work or I play,
there's one thing that I do when I wanna stay cool. Cool on your body any day, anytime. I cool water on the front line. Drop it on the beat, this a I cool time. Tell it to the world, it's a one that I feel reach worldwide.
I cool water helps me stay cool, cause I drink cool. I cool water, I cool water, feel like
what to cook for dinner today?
Daddy's home!
You have the key to my heart right there.
Mommy, what's for dinner?
Corned beef and rice. Ian, what's that noise?
Nothing, Mommy.
Dinner's ready.
Great quality products for the entire family at unbeatable prices. High-Low, making life easier.